Welcome to Johnson's 3 Creations Toys Life.
Hi, I'm 6. Before we start the video, please subscribe. Subscribing helps us make more fun videos for you. We post new videos every week. Our goal for this month is 60,000 subscribers. So please subscribe. Now let's start the video. Hi, today we're making fried chicken. First, I'll pour the buttermilk on the chicken.
Now, I'm going to mix it all together. Good thing I got gloves on.
Now it's time to shake it up and add some seasonings. I'll add salt and pepper. Achoo!
9. Did you sneeze on the food?
Definitely not. Everything's fine.
Now, I'm going to coat the chicken in flour.
Now it's time to fry the chicken. The chicken's ready and steady. Let's eat this meat. Nom, 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 nom.
Stay tuned for bloopers. After this message, please like and subscribe for more fun videos every week. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Johnson's 3 Creations Toys Life.
Now I'm going to coat the chicken in flour.